Before you cancel Netflix or unplug your cable box, it's worth asking why a tiny USB device is suddenly claiming to replace every paid streaming service you use. MoxiPlayer TV Stick is aggressively advertised as a plug-and-play solution that promises unlimited movies, TV shows, live channels, and even premium content with no monthly fees, which immediately sounds appealing but also raises serious questions. After examining what this device actually is and how it functions, the results show a very different reality from the ads. MoxiPlayer is essentially a generic Android TV stick that runs standard Android software, similar to many low-cost devices already available online. And it does not have the legal ability or certifications required to provide free access to premium platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, or other paid services in HD or 4K. The free streaming promise relies on vague wording and the assumption that users confuse access to basic apps with unlimited premium content, which is misleading. Another important finding is the way the product is sold, as identical hardware can be found on Chinese wholesale marketplaces for under $10, then rebranded and sold at a much higher price through dropshipping networks. The sales pages lean heavily on urgency tactics such as limited time offers, countdown timers, and reviews that are difficult to verify, creating pressure rather than transparency. While the device can technically stream content like any Android TV stick when apps are installed, it does not magically unlock paid services or eliminate subscriptions. And there is no evidence supporting the bold claims made in the ads. Overall, the results show that MoxiPlayer TV Stick is not a revolutionary streaming breakthrough, but a basic piece of hardware surrounded by exaggerated marketing, making it important for buyers to separate what the device can realistically do from what the advertising wants them to believe before spending their money.